Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohammed Faizan. So guys, as we all know that after 3 days we have a new year. So a very happy new year to all of you guys. So after thinking that, I thought why not create a video based on my cube collection of 2020 with my PBs. So if you don't know what is a PB means personal best. So guys, please watch this video till the end because at last I have given a link for all the cubes that I have shown in the video guys. So without delaying any more time, let's get into the video. Enjoy the video. The first cube in my collection are the 2x2s. This one, the stickered one, is my first 2x2 and this, the stickerless one, is my second 2x2. I think these two are the same model, but this one is older for me because this one was the first cube that I got from the market. Now let's move on towards the 3x3. Friends, this is my GE Warrior 3x3. I have done many solves in this, and by using this cube only I got my first sub 31 solve. And at last, as I told you, the link will be given to all the cubes. For this cube also, the link will be given at the last. So now let's move on with the 4x4. Everybody, hence this is my GE 4x4 and I have done many solves, and because of using this cube I am now sub 3 minutes while solving a 4x4. Wait, but before I show you my next cube, you have to do one thing for me. You have to tell me that whether I have to create a tutorial for any cube that I am showing in the video. So by telling that, let's move on with my 5x5. Friends, finally it's time for one of my favorite cubes to come in front of the camera. This is the 5x5. Now my PB is sub 5 minutes by using this GE 5x5 guys. And with that being said, let's move on with my 3 shape modded cubes. Friends, as I told you, these are my 3 shape modded cubes. These are basically not a cube, but still this one looks like a cube. And this is a Pyraminx, Mirror Cube and a Megaminx. This one was purchased yesterday, but these two were purchased together. These two I think were purchased before 10 or 9 months, and still this works fine. And most of you not know what is this. This is a mirror cube, and if you also know, you'd think that there would be stickers fit on it, but because the stickers were not looking good after pretty much solves, I actually removed it and made it into a black mirror cube. Now this Pyraminx actually gives a clicking sound in each rotation of it. Let me make you hear it. I don't think that whether you could hear it or not because it's very light sound. And this Megaminx is, I don't know what is the brand, but it's a Megaminx which I actually purchased yesterday. And for my surprise, I even learned how to solve a Megaminx yesterday itself, and I was very happy because doing everything at the same day made me so happy that I solved it many times a day. Now that's all guys, but before leaving, a very big salute to my elder brother who actually taught how to solve 3 by 3, and that was my starting of the journey. And after that I started solving all kind of puzzles like 4 by 4 and 5 by 5, guys. So if you like today's video, then hit that red color subscribe button, then press that bell icon and choose the option all. So guys, before ending this video, let me tell you today's like target is 7 likes. I hope you complete the like target, guys, and the link for all the cubes is up in that I button. Go press and take a look. That's all for today's video, guys. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, mercy, bye.